In a jungle, a thirsty crow was flying around. It was daytime, but there was no water to be found anywhere. The crow was feeling very thirsty and its beak was drying up. Suddenly, the crow spotted a pitcher placed on the ground. Joyfully, the crow flew down towards the pitcher, but when it reached near the pitcher, it noticed that there was very little water in it, and the crow couldn't drink from the pitcher. The crow had a clever mind. It came up with a smart plan. It started picking up small stones from the ground and dropping them into the pitcher. The first stone was dropped, but there was no change in the water level. The second stone was also dropped, but the water level remained the same. However, the crow didn't give up. It went ahead with its next plan. It started picking up smaller and smaller stones and dropping them into the pitcher. As the number of stones increased, the water level started rising gradually. Finally, the crow managed to raise the water level in the pitcher so high that it could reach the water and quench its thirst. The crow used its intelligence and determination to solve the problem and satisfy its thirst. This story teaches us the importance of innovative thinking and persistence in the face of challenges.